Ready?
Whenever you
Oh,
want.
thanks.
Hit that button 10 seconds ago.
Thanks. Hi guys. It hasn't showed me that you're live yet. Are you? This
Says we are.
Says you are.
On here it does.
All right, guys. Hello. I'm still not getting notified. What the hey? All right. First of all, I want to say thank you guys so much for everything that has happened for our Black Friday sale. Oh my gosh. We are totally overwhelmed. How come I haven't been notified? Totally blown away. I can't even begin to say. So thank you guys. I want to give you a little tour of our laser room and oh, there we go.
There we go.
And the
Hey Tessa.
process that we're going through. Oh, first of all, turn it down. Okay, well, so first of all, I want to start over here. Eric's going to turn the camera around a little bit. I'll walk this way. So what you're seeing here is, I can't tell. So this is our layout templates that we pull from. They are normally stocked. What happened? Bad signal.
Well, now it looks like we're back on.
Yeah, okay. It's bad signal in the laser room. Sorry guys, but I really wanted you to see this. Here are some of the orders that we have to get ready to go. This is some of them. I haven't even worked up today's. There's probably about 50 of them in the computer.
There's probably a stack like that more.
I haven't processed yet, and we've probably worked up 2 or 3 times that already that's gone out the door. So walk this way with us. These are orders that are partially pulled up here. We've got a cut to continue with them. And I apologize if the sound is bad. We're going to be walking into where the lasers are running. These are orders. These are the drawers where we stock. When we cut the letters and numbers, we stock everything in these drawers. We got Universal, the Bookman, the Fatty Font, the Clarendon, and the Western. So walk with me. I'm going to hold my...
Sorry about the shaky...
Sorry, guys.
I got it on the tripod and I'm trying...
I'm going to hold my mic just so that we can get up here in the sound. So these are the lasers. These are two of the lasers that we have running. The other one's in the other room. So this one's running. You can see here it's doing some major cutting there.
Yeah, it's cutting some Bookman, some 2-inch Bookman.
Yeah. And then this is, everybody knows Rachel here. Sorry, my video is way behind here, so.
Here, I'll turn it over. And there's Rach.
There's Rachel. Hi, Rach. So, and then here's another one. What's this one cutting? Oh, this one's cutting a patriotic layout template set. And everything else that we got. This is boards that have been cut that we need to cut in between the little scraps and already scrap wood there. These are all the packages, well, some of them, you can't see the ones over on the other side, that are ready to be packaged in the morning for shipping.
I'll be packing those as soon as we're done with the lot.
Can you zoom in back there?
Yeah. Let me go around the corner.
Go around the corner. So it's amazing, it's crazy. Thank you guys for, it might take a while to get yours. Thank you so much, Tessa. Yeah, that's something I wanted to say. We are running behind because of the amount of orders. I'll tell you what, you guys, the orders are probably, gosh, 5 times what they were last year. So we're not getting them out quite as fast as we like to or that we want to. Over here, you'll see we have more of this. These are the sets. And then when you purchase individually, they're in the boxes of sets there, or the boxes of individuals from the sets. These are the individual templates that have been the 2017, 2018, 2019 templates of the month.
So just so you can see what they look like.
I'm holding it, so it might be a little wobbly.
Okay, so sorry about all of the rigmarole there, guys. Again, as Vicky said, it was
probably the most amazing 4 days, 5 days in our company's history. Just, it's amazing what you guys did. All of that is due to you, not us. It's all due to you. You guys support us. Just unbelievable. We were just blown away. We thought that it would be a pretty good sale, but you guys just absolutely blew it out of the water. Way more than last year by a lot. Okay, so I want now.
Narrow because I'm holding it straight up. I couldn't turn it. Let me try and turn it. See if you guys get dizzy. Nope, won't let me do it.
Yeah, guys. Somehow in the reconnection or whatever, it's got the orientation wrong on the phone, and it's having Vicky hold it vertical, which normally we hold it horizontal.
Said this made us all proud to support you guys. Thank you guys so much. I mean,
we're just so grateful.
You just don't know.
It's humbling.
Very humbling, and
it's amazing.
Yeah.
It really is amazing. So thank you so much to everybody.
I don't know, Rick. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I'm so overwhelmed with orders. Honestly, I don't know what's out there right now.
Everything.
I'm looking more at what's on the order rather than who's on the order.
Yeah, if you guys have specific questions, email me or email Vicky, and we'll try and get you an idea. Everything will go this week. We're just going to keep working straight through, so everything goes this week.
Jeff says we only support you because you guys have given us something to support that we believe in. Thank you so much,
Is that
Jeff.
Jeff Dale?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good luck.
The sleep study, by the way.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask. How'd the sleep study work out? Or is that tonight? I didn't see what the timeline was.
Thank you, Chris. He said, Vicky and Eric, you guys rock.
Thanks, guys. Thanks so much. So I want to answer a couple questions real quick. I'm not even going to do sign carvers in the day tonight. We'll do that on Thursday. Thursday things will be hopefully a little calmer. But I got a message from Frank. He put lights on. He put the fairy lights on his 611. This is the cordless version of the 611, and he wanted to know, how did I stick this on there? And I was telling him about this stuff, and I've showed this stuff before. This is the 3M what is it called? Extreme mounting tape. This stuff is amazing, you guys. If you guys haven't used this, it is. I've used this in so many, and it's made for exterior as well. I've used this in so many uses, and it never fails. I have never had this stuff fail. So anyway, I just cut a little strip of it. It's two-sided tape. You just put it wherever you want and then peel that red off of there, and that's how that thing's stuck on, and they just never let loose. You can pry them off, but they never let loose on their own. So 3M Extreme Mounting Tape. We actually have it in our Amazon store.
Anna Murphy says, your teaching makes a difference, helping buy Christmas for the kids. Thank you so much. You are very welcome.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Anna. Okay, so that was that. But anyway, this stuff is great for permanent holes and temporary holes. It's just amazing stuff. And then the other one was Mr. Kim Anderson. Wrote me an email. He says, how do I see all your videos, all your past videos in order? When I look them up in YouTube, they're all jumbled up. So
if the phone's bouncing, it's because the cables, that's all right. It's kind of a wobbly board, and Eric's expressive again.
This is our normal table, which is only, this big around.
Until I finish mine someday.
And this is a piece of 4x8 particle board on there. So it's a little bit shaky. So I'll try not to touch the table. Anyway, so Kim asked, how do I see all your videos in order? And this is a question that I get quite often. So here's what you do. If you're on a computer,
I can't zoom in.
If you're on a computer, you're going to go to our main channel, which is youtube.com olddave100, and I'm going to turn this around so you can read it. So it's olddave100 100. Now when you get there, you're going to see a screen that looks like that.
Jeff's Sickler says, how come I didn't get a Chico stick with my order from your Amazon store? Because they're not as nice as we are when they ship from Amazon. Okay, sorry.
So once you get here, you're going to see these little tabs. You want to click on this videos tab. Okay? So get to the home page, and that's youtube.com/olddave100. And then click on this videos button. When you do that, then this page will come up. This one is, hopefully you can read it. So this is, you can see that we're now on the videos tab. When you get there, right over here on your right hand side, you'll see 3 little lines and it'll say sort by. You click that. There's a drop down menu. You click that and you can search by newest, oldest, or most popular. If you click by oldest, then all of these videos will change order from the very first one 11 or 12 years ago in order of when we posted them. So almost 1,300 of them.
Sorry guys, I'm holding the phone, it's bouncing.
So this is how you do that. Now if you're on a smartphone, then you can still get to our home page and then click on the videos tab, and then it'll give you another drop down menu that's much easier to find than on here. I didn't do any printouts on that, but it'll say date added, and you can again do newest or oldest or most popular. But that's how you can find all of our videos in order from first to last, or last to first, however you want to view them. Anyway, guys, I think that's it. Now, one announcement: Vicky and I will definitely be in Prescott, Arizona this weekend. We're going to be up there for Saturday morning. We're going to be at a woodworking group doing a kind of a workshop demo kind of thing. So if you guys are in the Prescott area and you want to come to this thing, it's going to start at 10 o'clock in the morning. And if you want to come, you're absolutely invited. The woodworking group says anybody that's in and around the area can come and join us. And we will we'll be happy to see you, and we'll again, I'll be doing a demo and a little workshop. Still don't know exactly how I'm gonna do everything, but I think it's gonna be fun.
Ooh, Matt's cooking 3-cheese tortellini Alfredo with pulled roasted chicken.
Oof, that sounds yummy. Matt Bay, I'm on my way, Matt.
Michelle Swendeman Booth.
Yep.
Sign Carvers of the Day is not on the mobile website. Do you plan on adding that to the mobile page?
If you go to makeawoodsign.com.
On her phone. That's what she's saying.
Yeah, if you go to makeawoodsign.com and then when you're looking at your phone and you turn it sideways, scroll down on the left-hand side. For you guys, I guess it would be over here. Scroll down on the left-hand side and you'll see a tab that says Sign Carvers of the Day. When you click on that, you go directly to my Google Photos album, and that's where they're at. So if you do there, so go to makeawoodsign.com. If you can't find it, send me an email, eric@makeawoodsign.com, and I'll send you a link to it. But I have a link on there on the Make a Wood Sign website. All right, guys, this has been kind of crazy. Sorry for I guess the connection is okay now.
Connection seems to be fine.
Yeah, it's pretty good here in the house, but it's just bad out there in the laser room.
I'm just not a good tripod here.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, that is all we're going to do for tonight. We'll be back on Thursday. You'll have a new video tomorrow morning. Actually, it's a Facebook Live, kind of a repost on a Facebook Live, but I think it's good information for you. And then Thursday, there'll be another one, and we'll be back on Thursday night live, and it'll be much calmer. We'll have things a little bit better organized. And then Friday, we've got a great Zoom interview. And then Friday night, Vicky and I will be in Prescott. Anyway, we got stuff coming up. A lot of great stuff coming up. So again, a huge thank you to all of you that support us and made this sale the best ever for our company. We love you guys.
Thanks, guys.
Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Hope you have a great week.
Lon Oric just came on. Lon, I haven't forgot you. I've just been busy. It'll still be the same.
Okay. All right.
She most likely did, but they're so busy with the orders they just hadn't got to it yet. I probably did. I'm sure I did. If you placed the order, I got it. I just don't know.
Yeah, we're kind of buried right
Yeah.
now, but we're working on it.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a safe evening, and we will talk to you later.
We'll be right back here on Thursday.
Bye, guys.
So, love you guys. Have a great night. Bye-bye.